Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ViewSonic LS740HD, 5000 lumens, 1080p laser projector. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 5000 ANSI lumens, 1080p laser installation projector. Featuring the latest laser phosphor technology, the LS740HD projector delivers 5000 ANSI lumens of brightness to ensure crisp images even in rooms with ambient lighting. Enjoy a maintenance-free projection experience without having to deal with complicated lamp replacements. This projection solution features a compact design for easier transportation. Experience screen sizes up to 300-inch in 1080p Full HD resolution for show-stopping images designed to fill up boardrooms, lecture halls, auditoriums, and other public spaces. The LS740HD laser projector comes loaded with features like 1.3x Optical zoom, H/V Keystone, 4-corner adjustment, 360 degrees projection, and portrait mode for easy setup and versatile applications. Long-lasting laser phosphor light source. Designed with a sealed optical engine and the latest laser phosphor light source, designed to last up to 30,000 hours, light source life may vary based on actual usage and other factors. This projector delivers long-term, virtually maintenance-free usage for a lower overall total cost of ownership. Bright images in large spaces. Packed with 5000 lumens and a high contrast ratio, this projector is guaranteed to produce bright images in large spaces with high ambient light, including large boardrooms, conference halls, and auditoriums. 300-inch screen. Enjoy breathtaking images on an ultra-large screen capable of reaching up to 300-inch. This state-of-the-art projector has a lower cost per inch compared to commercial displays. Reduced weight and size. This projector weighs 35% less and is 35% more compact compared to its predecessors. Enjoy easier transportation and installation. Convenient mounting flexibility. A 1.3x optical zoom lens provides more mounting flexibility over a standard lens, so you can place your projector where you want and still get big, vivid images. For a perfectly proportioned picture every time, horizontal/vertical keystone correction and 4-corner adjustment feature eliminate crooked and distorted images. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.